All right, so let's say that you're trying to figure out exactly what problem you're trying to solve, but you don't necessarily know where to start or what's really a pain point or what other people might be going through. So this could be an internal problem with you, or it could be something that you go out and search as trying to find out what are problems that people are going through that they have that they're willing to pay money to fix. So in this portion of the class, what we're going to do is we're going to try and do a lot of research around other problems and pain points that people are currently going through. So an example could be that you are not a developer or designer. You don't have any real technical expertise, but you're looking to try and find kind of turnkey ways to be able to get a website out pretty quickly, but have an opt-in page with it. An opt-in is an opt-in is a way that you can collect a piece of data from someone, most likely an email, in return for some other piece of data from you. So in this case, let's say that I'm looking for something like that, but I can't find it. So what I've been doing is custom coding this piece. That's a huge pain point for me because not only am I not efficient in it, but I'm not a good designer, and it's just wasting a lot of time. So those are three major pain points for me in the past, and when I found the solution, I was able to purchase that very quickly. So you want to research and find out where people with already current established companies are working with problems. So maybe there's something with Salesforce. Maybe there's something where people are looking to get food delivered because they don't have time to do it. In that case, it might be like Carrie Norfolk, for example, a bicycle delivery company. So what are you trying to fix? Do a lot of research around finding what people are currently going through that are having problems, whether it's with time, whether it's with money, or several other points. What's their pain point? How can you make their lives easier or better? What will give them more time? What will give them more money to do more things? Obviously you want to be thinking, what can this product be doing or your service can be doing to relieve some of those stresses from those people. So right now, we want you to go out and research places like Reddit or Quora and search specific keywords on those topics. Also just simple Google searches. We've uploaded an example spreadsheet for you to take all those pieces down. We're going to be looking for you to do 4 main things in this, and they are. So in the spreadsheet, you're going to see 4 main things. You're going to see what industry is it in. So as you're researching, you might find that you're finding something in specific industries rather than others. So be looking for that. What are the keywords that you're looking for them? What is the website? And then what are those specific pain points that you see? And then we want you to rank those pain points. How do you feel that those people are actually going through something? Is it something like, oh, I hate Facebook? Or is it something like, I need to find ways to leverage Facebook to make my company stronger? Research this problem. And then once you get that, what you're going to see is we think that you'll find a trend of those and you'll be able to pinpoint more of those problems and pain points so that you'll have a better basis for our upcoming lessons. And then also you might want to start by looking at things that are passionate to you. So you're going to be married to this business. So if you start something that you're not really that engaged in, you might not give it the full go all the time. So find industries or problems that are that you're interested in as well. That's very important. You don't want to be 2 months down the road and say, I just hate this, so I don't want to be involved with it. And then take an inventory of all the things that are going on currently. Don't say, oh, this isn't going on, I haven't found it. There probably is someone doing it. You just got to do a better search for it. And so your homework for this is to recognize what pain points you're trying to solve. Go on those forums, go on Quora, go on Reddit, go on Facebook, do your Google searches, see what's already existing and people are talking about and what solutions they are or are not finding, and figure out if that's something that is of interest to you. Number 2, educate yourself in the industry. Find out as much information about these topics as possible. The more upfront you do in this case, the more you'll be able to be well educated in your following steps and chapters throughout time. So go and check out the spreadsheet as well. 3 things with educating your company. When, how, and where are consumers purchasing? Are they purchasing something? If they're not, and they're just using it as a widget or a tool, that might not be something of interest for you because you obviously aren't making money on it. So find out what people are paying for these things. In the spreadsheet, also list the prices that people are paying for these tools that are already there. How are consumers and businesses currently solving the problems that you're coming up with? And start to think about ways that these can be improved and simplified. Take those next steps and see if those pain points that they're having, if there's a solution to them or not. So a lot of homework on this one. This is one of the biggest pieces. If you can truly find a pain point that someone's going through, it'll be a lot easier for you to convert those kind of users into customers. So good luck with this. As always, you can email us or message us on the Facebook page. Best of luck. Let us know what you think.